Hi students, let us continue with the deployment models. So the cloud computing is having the models as well as services. So there are 4 different types of deployment models will be there. One is the public, private, hybrid, community. So far I have explained about the public cloud and the private cloud. Now let us see the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private. So whenever they are asked about hybrid, means it's a combination of public and private. Just take the combination features of public as well as the private. So it is a mixture of public and private cloud. So what information will be stored in the hybrid cloud? I am saying it is public and private. How can I say both? The public is not secure, whereas private is fully secure. So what type of information will store in hybrid cloud? A non-critical activities are performed in public cloud. Non-critical activities are performed in public cloud, whereas the critical activities are performed using private cloud. So whenever some information is there which is a critical information, critical activities are there, then you can use the private. In the hybrid, you can go, whenever you purchase a hybrid cloud, whenever you are using the hybrid cloud, you can store your information or retrieve the data or whatever the resources you want to access by using private. If it is a critical activities, go for private. If it is a non-critical activities, go for public. Means hybrid using means it's having the features like both public as well as a private. If you want to store information which is more secureable, then choose private in the hybrid. If you are using a non-critical activities means, then choose public cloud in the hybrid. Okay, so hybrid cloud is a combination of public as well as the private. So just see here the diagram. This is a cloud. Okay, so here in the cloud you are having the public or external information. So here this is a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is having the private as well as the public. So whatever the information that will be accessible by everyone, that will be placed on the public, and the information that should be most secured one, okay, which is not visible to everyone, that should be placed on the private. Okay, everything will be on the cloud. So this is about the hybrid clouding. So let us see what are the benefits of using the hybrid cloud. The advantage of using the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud advances are, it's a combination of both public and private. So the scalability, flexibility, cost efficiency and security. It's having all the features, whatever the advantages for that hybrid as well as the public as well as the private. Here's the scalability. It offers the features of both public and private scalability. Public and private scalability features will be offered in hybrid cloud. Then what about the flexibility? So it offers secure resources and scalable public resources. It offers secure resources and scalable public resources. So both can be offered by the hybrid cloud. So that's why we are saying it is flexible. Then what about the cost efficiency? So public clouds are more cost effective than private. We know that public clouds are more cost effective because a same data can be used by the multiple users. Okay, so the same resources can be used by the multiple resources, clients, multiple customers. So that's the cost is effective. The cost effective of public cloud is more when compared to the private. So therefore, hybrid cloud can be cost saving. It is cost saving. Then what about the security? So private cloud in hybrid and which ensures the high degree of security. So in the hybrid cloud you are having the private cloud. Okay, So in the hybrid, you are having the private. So whenever the private cloud is there, we can ensure high degree of security. High degree of security. So these are the advantages and benefits of the hybrid cloud: scalability, flexibility, cost efficiency, and security. Now, disadvantages also there. What are the disadvantages of using hybrid cloud? The disadvantages are network issues will be there. So how can you say it's having the network issues? Because of presence of public and private, it's having some network issues. So they have to be maintained data privately, and they have to maintain the data publicly, and the resources has to be maintained publicly, means some type of network issues will be present in hybrid cloud, and the security complaints will be there. So some data will be highly secured and some data will be less secured. So security complaints will be there. And it's also infrastructure dependency is there for hybrid cloud. Infrastructure dependency. It means the hybrid cloud depend on internal IT infrastructure. It depends upon internal IT infrastructure. So that's why it's having infrastructure dependency. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of hybrid cloud. Thank you.